Welcome to Kitty Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started! Let's start with the letter A. A. A for apple. Blue color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The letter A is blue. Red color. The apple is red. Wow, such a shiny red apple. Now comes the letter B. B. B for ball. Pink color. The letter B is pink. Blue color. The ball is blue. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Here's the letter C. C.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was
C for
sure to
cat.
go. It followed her to
Red
school
color.
one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and
The letter
play,
C is red.
laugh and play. It made the children
Orange
laugh
color.
and play to see a lamb at school. And so
The cat is
teacher
orange.
turned it out, turned it out, turned it
Next
out.
is the
And
letter
so
D.
the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
D
Why
for dog.
Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher
Green color.
replied. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
The letter D
had
is
a
green.
little lamb, its fleece was white
Brown
as
color.
snow. Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
The dog is brown.
The dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
A for apple.
Takes the wife,
B for ball.
farmer takes the
C for
wife.
cat. D for
Hi-ho,
dog.
the dairy-o, the
Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, kiddos!